Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I am Layla Stella, your American English coach, and right now I am not sitting inside a studio. Instead, I am standing right here along the peaceful shores of the beautiful Bosphorus River. If you look closely, you can probably catch a glimpse of the water flowing behind me. I hope the view does not distract you too much because I chose this spot carefully. It is calm, it is refreshing, and it offers the perfect quiet space to have a little conversation with you today about English learning. I thought this would be a wonderful moment to share a simple but powerful English learning tip and also give you an important update about how you can truly achieve fluency. This is a question I hear all the time from students around the world. They ask me, Layla, what should I do to finally speak English fluently? What is the real secret? And today, I would love to dive into that with you and share some insights that could change the way you approach your English learning journey forever. One of the biggest challenges I see with most traditional English classes is that they rarely begin with a clear roadmap. There are no simple steps, no easy-to-follow instructions. Think about it. Whenever you buy something new, whether it is a gadget, a piece of furniture, or even a board game, the first thing you usually look for is the instruction manual. Or maybe a friend sits down with you and patiently explains how everything works. You need to know the basic rules before you can fully enjoy the experience. And for me, learning English feels very similar. Having a set of clear, simple rules makes everything easier. It helps you feel confident. It helps you understand where to start, what to focus on, and how to move forward step by step. Without a structure, it can feel overwhelming, confusing, and frustrating. That is exactly why I designed a special guide for you, called the 7 Steps to English Fluency. Over the course of our time together, I will walk you through these 7 essential steps, one after another, to give you a clear system that you can follow confidently. I created these steps especially for our Speak Real English community, because I truly believe you deserve more than just random tips. You deserve a full strategy that actually works in real life. Each step builds on the one before it, giving you a strong foundation so you never feel lost or stuck again. We are going to break it all down clearly, simply, and practically so that you can really start seeing results in your everyday English conversations. If you are excited to get the complete video lessons, the audio files, and the full text subtitles for all 7 steps, I would love for you to visit Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel and find the page called 7 Steps. Everything will be available for you there in one easy place so you can download the materials and study them at your own pace. I genuinely hope you will come and make use of that valuable resource because I created it with you in mind to help you finally unlock your full English speaking potential. Today, I just want you to remember one key idea. If you want to succeed at anything in life, including mastering a language, you need to know the rules of the game. When you know the rules, you can play confidently, you can win, and you can enjoy the journey. That is exactly what we are going to do together through these 7 steps to fluency. It is like having your own personal playbook for English success. And honestly, the series I am about to share with you is powerful enough that it could be turned into a full course, but I want to offer it completely free because I care deeply about supporting your English dreams. You have 2 options. You can visit the YouTube channel now and access all 7 steps at once through video, audio, and text. Or if you prefer, you can follow along gradually as I release each new tip separately. Either way, you are going to learn so much, and I cannot wait to see your progress. The videos will be short and focused, giving you the chance to learn a little bit at a time without feeling overwhelmed. And if you stay consistent, if you watch, listen, and read along with each part, you will notice a huge difference in your confidence and fluency. Before I go, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you never miss any updates or new tips. You will see the button right there on the screen. Just give it a tap, and you will be part of our amazing learning community. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me by the river today. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing, and always remember that English fluency is closer than you think when you have the right guidance and the right steps. I will see you very soon in our next lesson. Take care and bye for now.